Namaskar, I'm Shyamulisina. Welcome to Foodie. Today we are going to make Paporer Jhal. There are no words to describe how quickly you can make this tasty curry using some basic ingredients from your kitchen. Let's get started. I'm going to start by preparing the base of the any curry, the spice paste. Now in this shadow bowl, I have cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder and red chilli powder. Next, adding some salt just for the masala and a little bit of sugar. After that, I'm adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and stirring the spice mix with a spoon till everything well mixed. Then set it aside. Here I have a quarter cup of mustard oil that's been heated over medium heat until it changes its color from the dark brown to the light golden color. Now here I have taken 5 medium size cumin seeds flavored pappad. You can use plain pappad or any spicy pappad of your choice. So now add one pappad at a time and fry each side just for a few seconds and then remove from the heat. Repeat the same for the rest of the pappad. By the way, for healthier version, instead of frying, you can just dry roast the pappad as well. Now, time to start building our flavors. I'm adding cumin seeds in the hot oil. After giving a quick stir, time to add bay leaves. Add a pinch of hing and sprinkle salt. Then add the sliced red onion. Now, I prefer to add salt before adding any vegetable just because all the extra moisture from the salt and the vegetables is going to prevent the whole spices from the burning. And you will see that the onion develop a amber or golden color. So at that point, add these chopped tomatoes. You can use the canned tomatoes as well. And next, add this grated ginger. And if you have the ginger paste, please go ahead and use that. Now time to add this spice paste. Add about a quarter cup of warm water. Cover with a lid and simmer for 5 to 6 minutes. Now in between, after 3 to 4 minutes, check the masala to prevent the burning. And just give a quick stir. Allow it to cook further for 3 to 4 minutes or until the raw smell of the spice mixture has gone and the oil released from the masala. When you get that texture, add about a cup of hot water. Give a stir. Put the lid on again. Allow the mixture to come to a boil. Alright, now break the fried or roasted pappad and add them in the gravy. You can add the whole pappad if you want to. Put the lid back again and simmer the sauce for a few minutes to get your desired consistency. To get the Bengali flavor, time to sprinkle some Bengali Garam Masala or Garam Masala and ghee to finish off the dish. Now cover with the lid. Give 10 to 15 minutes standing time so that the pappad will absorb the gravy. I prefer a thin gravy. Enjoy this quick, easy, delicious vegetarian gravy with steam hot rice and salad. I hope you like this recipe. So give this recipe a try and do let me know what do you think about this recipe. We'll meet again. Till then, bye.